how to insert the picture with shade and text together. Go to insert and shade. You can choose any shade, heart shape. And then this layout option, choose one, can move anywhere. Right click, format shape. Face, no face, solid face. Guardian face, picture at the top. Button face, line. Color, no line, solid line, gradient line, no line, solid line. So now I will show you how to insert the picture. Choose picture or data face and picture scope insert. You choose from the file, insert, close, and if you want to type the text here, you click, select the picture, right click, add text, and this one, background. Change the text color, go, text file, text star here.